Here's the story so far. What I've done is I've cleaned up a fair bit underneath. The air box is in. Looks pretty good. New second-hand shocky. The swing arms all in. The engine, carby. All the bolts are tightened up now. Hopefully they're all torqued up to spec, which is about tighten it up and then half a turn more, something like that. Anyway, swing arms all done up, everything's in, got the overflow bottle installed. Hopefully it gets used. I can't find a home for the horn. That's one thing that I didn't take a picture of. Got the bars refurbished. They look pretty bloody ordinary before, so we're pretty happy. The back carry rack, fixed up all that, and all the front's done. Waiting on the front gaiters. Once they arrive, we can then take out the front forks, slide up the gaiters, and they'll be all hunky-dory. Nothing else has changed much. Put all the hoses back. There's a little bit of dirt up here. Go for a spray. Just got these things to hook up here. Vacuum line. Fix up that battery. That. Put on the brake, foot pegs. Probably do that in the next couple of days. Waiting on a bearing for the rear wheel. The front wheel, I've got to check that out. It seems alright in the bearings, so we'll probably just let that go. There's our shock, which came from a 250 Ninja. It's the same size and it fitted alright. Had to change the top bolt from 10mm to 12mm, but that's alright, done all that. We're pretty happy with the way it's all gone. A little bit of clean up. No. We all think it's pretty good. It's going alright. So, once the owner gets back from holidays, he can take it for a spin. So that's about it. Thanks a lot. Catch you all later.